Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Heavenly Vlog. Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay andito sa bahay ngayon at ako po ay magbe-breakfast. Samahan niyo po ako guys. Ito po ang aking breakfast. Toast bread. Hot dog na juicy. Siyempre, may kasama tong bacon in the morning, guys. Ang sarap niyan. Yan. Tapos, meron pa akong isang egg. Yun, no? Yun, no? Yan, guys, ang aking breakfast. So, paano, guys? Samahan niyo ako. At kagigising ko lang din po kasi siyempre pagod at medyo pahinga today kasi holiday dito sa UAE. Kaya medyo relax muna ang katawang lupa guys. Kaya guys, samahan nyo ako. Umpisahan na natin. Baka umpisahan pa ng iba. Thank you guys sa inyong panonood. Let's eat guys. Let's go. That's it, guys.
Bring your makeup.
Yummy.
No more bread.
Ayaw nila magpakita sa camera, guys. Nahiya. Kaya ito, dyan.
Hello.
Hello, guys.
Hello guys. Today we're eating breakfast.
Yeah.
Cuckoo.
Let's eat, guys.
Let's eat guys.
No sound. If you eat, no sound.
Okay.
Not good.
Yung ano? Salt ito. Ito na. Yung makeup?
That one?
Not salty. The other one tasty.
I want to eat bread without salt.
Oh!
Guys, bacon.
Wow! Only butter. This one. This one.
That one.
Yeah. Nice. That one.
Mm.
It's very small and I just do like that.
Like this?
Dog.
You want to have dog? You want to have dog? Bite only. Pabite mo nga.
Bite a dog.
Try.
I already tried it. What again?
Mm?
Bite only.
Small.
Try.
Yummy.
What?
Drink and drink. Come on. Yummy.
Hindi na kami nag-rice, guys. Pero kadalasan namin breakfast, may rice. Pero ngayon wala. Siyempre, yaman-yamanan tayo ngayon. Joke lang.
Okay ka? Huh? You have? Okay. Eat me. Eat and then we will go to ano, paper. Bal-bal siya. Ay, ano. Ko to close. Alam, come. Want to come? Here, there, there. Give it to daddy.
Dito.
Are you okay now? Feeling better? Okay. Why? You're joking. Nag-whisper, takot na.
Ha?
Salita si JB. Nag-whisper pa.
Don't whisper, it's okay. You talk. Why you shy in camera? Don't be shy. It's okay. Say hi. Hello, people.
Hello, people.
How are you?
How are you?
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Nakakataka ng bego, pero ano, nakakaumay din.
Kaya nga. Masarap kasi ito. Kung may rice. Pero kung
Hindi rin, fried rice.
Pero kung ano.
Bread lang. Hindi. Bakit sa ano, kung nag-aan tayo sa Rixos noon, bacon, wala man rice, bread lang. Nandito si JB, banat yan. Wala. Seconds lang. Oh, ice coffee gusto mo? Paayaw-ayaw ka, ha? Oh,
Yung sarap na ito, ice coffee.
prop yan. Excuse
Okay.
me. It's okay. You okay? Drink your medicine later. It's okay. You okay?
Sa mga guys, pakiramdam ng chikiting ko kasi malamig na dito sa UAE. Nag-iiba na yung weather.
Cold weather.
Cold.
Winter na kasi.
Cold weather. Winter. Yeah. You will go outside later. You will wear jacket. Daanan nga natin yung sa ano ngayon.
So,
Yung sa Qatar ba? Eh, yun ang sabi ni Garo. Hindi ko alam ang totoo.
guys, thank you sa inyong panonood. Kapagsama sa breakfast namin ngayon. Nakakamay ko na guys, mas masarap kumain na nakakamay eh. Late na kami nag-breakfast guys. Ngayon dito 9:40 a.m. Kasi holiday, kaya late na nagising. Walang pasok. UAE holiday, National Day. Baka mamaya umalis kami, maglakad-lakad dyan sa kung saan mapunta. Paano naman makapag-relax. Hindi puro trabaho, ganyan. Kailangan relax din. Pag may time.
Again? Oh.
Daddy.
See?
What?
Why you're not eating the brown?
Don't want.
Mmm. Ano, oh. Hindi mo kainin mo.
Buhay pa yung hotdog, guys. Teka ma. Buti, magaling tayong sumalo.
You jump on the...
Buhay yung hotdog. Biruin nyo, buhay yung hotdog.
Ate Juliana, back na.
Tama yung chikiting ko eh.
You have to. Huh?
Why are you laughing?
Why you're laughing?
Why are you laughing?
Wait pala, we will wrap pala today. The one we will bring in your school.
What should I wrap?
Gifts
Oh, where?
for your classmates
Yay!
on your Christmas party.
If someone will get a present.
Yeah.
And then who will be the
Wow.
first?
Ang sarap naman nito, oh.
Can I see? Can I see?
Open.
Oo. Bili tayo ng corn sa tapos mag-ihaw tayo dyan, Daddy.
Pwede.
Ha? Yung electric.
Pwede.
Kaya, kuha tayo. Total malamig.
I don't want.
Yeah,
Nasa
it's
labas.
nice. Oo. Tapos iganong mo rin. Yahoo! What is this one? Ito.
Inom lang ako, guys. You know, guys, tapos na naman tayo sa ating breakfast. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Nakaraos na naman tayo sa awa ng Panginoon. Guys, inom tayo ng water. Panado. Tulad na naman ang katawang lupa, guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. So, paano guys? Hanggang dito na lang. Hanggang sa susunod po. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.